Hello everyone, welcome to this problem and this video where we are going to solve three-dimensional problems using trigonometry. Okay, so now we are given this pyramid and the length of AB, BC and CV are given. Find the length of AN. As I observe, okay, do note that this triangle A, B, C is a right angle triangle because it is a rectangular pyramid. The base is a rectangle. So to make life easier, right? For part A, I would actually redraw this right angle triangle out. A, B, C. Just do a rough sketch, okay? So this is 30, this is 16. And I need you all to see that this point N, which is in the middle, it is actually the middle of AC. So if I know AC, I can find AN. Very good. And I just need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Yeah? So for the first part would then be for me to apply Pythagoras theorem to get AC. So my AC is equals to the square root of 30 square plus 16 square. And this will be equals to 34 cm. So my AN is simply 34 divided by 2, or as some of you might have used, half of 34, or 34 divided by 2, 17 cm. Okay, part A done. Part B, find the height of VN. Okay, I hope you can see that since this is a right rectangular pyramid, then I need you all to see this particular triangle that I'm going to highlight in blue since we are talking about VN. V is vertically on top of N. This means something, do you know? This means that this blue color triangle is also a right angle triangle. So V and C for part B. V and C. We also can pull out this right angle. I have 31. NC and AN are the same, 17. How do I get my VN then? Yep. So it's simply application of Pythagoras theorem again. So my Vn square plus 17 square is equals to 31 square. And therefore, I just need to minus 17 square on both sides, after which I square root it. Yes. So 31 square minus 17 square. So this will be equal to 672 square root 672. And square root of 672 will be equals to 25.923 to find significant figure, 25.9 meter cm. Going back to this question, part C, angle of elevation of V from A. So we should be looking at this triangle VAN. And one thing that caught Mr. Tan's eye is I hope you can see that this is a right angle triangle, and therefore Mr. Tan will draw out this triangle out now in 2D. And I got 17, I got square root 672, and the angle of elevation we are talking about is angle VAN. And with respect to the angle VAN, then I will have 17 side as my adjacent side, VN as my opposite side, with Tua, Ka, and so. Which of this ratio could I apply? We have O and A. Tangent. So tangent angle VAN will be equals to opposite over adjacent side. So I would be able to get my angle VAN. So this will be equals to 56.744 to 5 significant figures, followed by final answer, 1 decimal place. And because we are talking about angle of elevation, this will be the best presentation. .7 degrees. Alright. Well, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.